Hello everyone, welcome to analyticsspike YouTube channel. Today's video I will discuss about complete guideline how to enable WordPress website data layer. Step by step discussion. So let's start. What is data layer? A data layer is a JavaScript object that is used to pass information from your website to your tag manager container. You can then use that information to populate variables and active triggers in your tag configurations. Developer should read the developer documentations for more information. What do you mean by data layering? A data layer, also known as a operational layer, is a client-side layer that can access geographic data from a data source. You use a data layer to display geographic data on top of the basement layer in map or scenes. The data source for the layer can be a data service or a file such as shapefile or GeoJSON file. What is data layer in digital marketing? The digital marketing, a data layer is a criteria component that facilitates the collection and transmissions of data between a website and various marketing and analytics tools. It acts as a structured data container that holds information about user interactions, behavior, and other relevant data on a website. How to enable website data layer? So let's start. This is my demo website. I want to enable this website data layer. Let's start. This is my website backend. Go to plugin section, then click add a new plugin. Then search on GTM for WP. This plugin need to active. This plugin already active my website. So then click install it plugin. Then go to settings, GTM for WP, Google Tag Manager GTM plugin for WordPress. Then click settings. Then go to integrations. Then click WooCommerce. Then click checkmarks tech e-commerce. Cart content in data layer included full category path. No need this. Checkmark. 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 Then click save changes. This is already done. Everything is okay. Then go to Google Tag Manager. Google Tag Manager already created this container. Then click preview section. Then paste, copy website URL. Then paste here. Then connect. Scroll down. Then click a product. Go to debug view. If you check this view content, everything is here. Item ID, item name, item price, item category, everything is here. So data layer is enabled. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel. Stay connected to us, Facebook page, Twitter page. If you have any requirement or any questions, you can mail this mail. You can connect it our LinkedIn page. Thank you.